You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this river. Yes, it's a river originally, and company name. We'll be looking at how to say more brand names that too many people get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. British English and American English are different here. In the UK, in British English it's said as Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. Now in the US, and I guess that's more the original company name, it's said as Amazon. Amazon is how it's pronounced in the US, Amazon, or in British English, Amazon. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support, it helps a lot, thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.